Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start playing NBA 2K. To begin your journey, first familiarize yourself with the fundamental controls for movement, shooting, and passing. Next, select a game mode that aligns with your preferences, such as My Career for a personalized journey or Play Now for quick matches. Finally, complete the in-game tutorials. They are designed to teach you the essential mechanics and strategies, providing a solid foundation for your gameplay experience. Once you have the basics down, dedicate time to mastering core controls. The 2KU training mode is excellent for practicing dribbling moves and refining your shooting timing. Additionally, focus on learning defensive strategies, such as effective on-ball defense and precise shot blocking. Understanding how player attributes, like speed or three-point shooting, influence performance is crucial for making informed decisions during gameplay and building effective teams. NBA 2K offers several engaging game modes, each providing a unique experience. My Career lets you create a custom player, guiding them through their entire NBA journey from rookie to superstar. For immediate action, Play Now provides quick matches using current NBA teams and rosters. If collecting and team building appeal to you, My Team allows you to assemble your ultimate fantasy squad by acquiring player cards. To elevate your game, incorporate advanced strategies into your play. Effectively utilizing pick-and-roll plays can create numerous scoring opportunities for your team. Mastering shot timing and understanding release points are vital for achieving consistent shooting percentages from all areas of the court. Furthermore, learning to adjust your defensive settings in real time will help you counter opponent strategies and secure more victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.